Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? Your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne here with yet another unboxing. This is really, really big and heavy. It literally says heavy. I'm not going to show you my address, but you can see this is a big box from Amazon.com. It's shipped from Lexington, Kentucky to South Bend, Indiana. Bear with me. I have it on my sink. It's a heavy box. I'm not trying to strain myself. I really don't know what's in it. As I'm opening it, I want to say thanks to everyone watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. We got some Premier Proteins. We got these cool things here, protective things. So I do subscribe and save to try and save some money here and there. So awesome. This is the Pumpkin Spice Premier Protein. This is a 12-pack. I am not sponsored by Amazon or Premier Protein, but I desperately wish I was. This is another little kit. This one's caramel. If you've never had the Premier Proteins, I highly recommend them. Like I said, I'm not sponsored. I would love to be. This is what we call a seamless edit. Sorry, folks. My camera just stopped recording. So we got one pumpkin, we got one caramel, and we got another pumpkin. I did the whole video, and then I found out it didn't record. So I got some Salon Pas pain sprays. These are phenomenal. I feel like the Tin Man and the Wizard of Oz, they work so well. It's like my oil can. And last but not least, from bulksupplements.com, BCAA amino acids. So these are branched chain amino acids. I haven't ordered one in a while, so I've been cycling, brother. So these protein shakes taste delicious. They're a super low sugar, low carb. They work for me in my diet. I've lost like 185.5 pounds. It's working for me. If you have a suggestion for another protein shake, let me know. These are great. They work for me. You know, I don't know exactly if these work, but we're gonna start taking them again starting right now. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment, and let me know if you recommend something else. You know, I'm in the process of a weight loss journey. I'm trying to get stronger. I've got arthritis, so that's why the Salon Pas works. I'm trying to build muscle. That's why the BCAAs and the Premier Protein are going to help me in my journey. So thanks so much for watching. Keep positive, stay positive, and keep going. Have a great one.